Hello everybody, Fraser here with another video, and this time it is a tutorial on that 3D image video that I posted, and that teaser was posted a month ago. I'm sorry, turns out I'm really good at procrastination, and it's usually bent against my will. So okay, anyway, let's do this. So for this you're going to need any version, at least After Effects CS6 and up. You'll also need Photoshop. Any version will do. So first, I'm going to get the image. Don't worry about this, I'm not making a diss track, I just name my files really crappy names, except the folders. Okay, so let's use Thanos. And here he is in all his glory. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new layer. We're going to make it completely black. And we're going to set the opacity on this to something like 32. Something like 36. And now we're going to get our brush. Scale it to a reasonable size. Hardness to 100. And we're going to set the opacity over here down to about 30%. Now, actually we're going to turn this to white. Because what we're doing is we're telling the software, which is After Effects, what's closest to that camera. So this is going to be the background. The background is going to be completely black. His body will be a white, and all of his body will be white. And then the parts that are closer than that are closer to the camera than that, like the Infinity Gauntlet, we're going to put some more white on that. And his chin, more white on that. And the Infinity Stones, more white on that. And his forehead, more white on that. So it's just complicated. I'm just going to show you. So I'm just going to draw over here. Now, one important thing to do is never click stop. You don't want to be doing this, because then it won't work. It'll break the entire illusion. Well, this is an illusion. The entire thing is an illusion, and so later on you will see the limits of what I can do. So now I'm just going. So now just gonna keep on doing it. Actually, this is gonna take a while, so I'll be back when it's done. And there, now I'm done with the body. So now at this point you could just stop. But wait, you actually don't stop, okay? You're going to keep on doing it. So now, we're going to do is... We're going to do his forehead. His nose. His lips, and that chin. So there, now it looks weird, but trust me, when it's done it won't. Now I'm going to change the brush size for this. Just so it'll be quicker. Well, it's not perfect, but still. And now those infinity stones. There, so now we're going to turn the opacity all the way up, and you can see it looks quite ugly, and even I can admit that. So now we're going to delete the background, and we're going to save this as a TIFF file. And we're going to name it that. And no image compression. So there, now we can go into After Effects. And now we're going to add our Thanos. Both of the images, drag them into After Effects. Make the original picture the composition. You actually don't. You actually do. So, we're going to select both of them. And scale it up just a bit. And now we're going to add what's going to give the entire thing its thing. Displacement map. Drag it onto the image. We're going for the displacement map layer. Thanos bump. And here it is. So it's pretty good. As I said before, you want to use this with extreme caution. And you can change these if you want. I'll change mine to luminance. And I'm just gonna set some keyframes. There, so you need to make it kind of subtle. And now we're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And I promise you there won't be hiatuses this long ever again. Well, for this month. See? Do you see what I was doing? See what I was doing? You know, it's 30th of May, and you know, do you get it? Okay. Oh well, goodbye, and remember that I exist. Goodbye.